This is a tremendously exciting announcement for Volition. This is our first step in the real world using H3.1 in patients to help triage their admission through emergency rooms.
DETECSEPS is going to be a fantastic project dealing with the sepsis threat. Sepsis is placing a huge burden worldwide and in France too. For example, in 2024, there were close to 200,000 people having sepsis. 1 out of 3 of them had septic shock. That is a disease affecting a lot of people and causing a lot of socioeconomic problems.
One of the main problems we have is when the patient is already severe, it's really easy, but the problem is which patients are going to evolve to sepsis from infection in the emergency department. And actually, we don't have any tests which allow good detection of sepsis in the emergency department. So the idea of DETECSEPS is to use a clinical score, Nu.Q, and the Volition Biomarker H3.1, and to combine those score and biomarker to improve the strategy of detection.
H3.1 is being used to try and identify the sickest patients who need to be admitted and have their care escalated, and trying to do the opposite to identify those patients with a low value who can be safely sent home.
The Volition test is extremely important in practice, and this is why it's a game changer. It's because it's easy to get it. It's right away. Take a blood sample for a patient to get the answer. And that is exactly what we need in this setting. So we're really expecting major impact in the management of patients.
So we are proud to be alongside Euroimmun, industrial partners of the DETECSEPS Consortium. And we are delighted that the project has been approved and financed by the Agency of Health Innovation under the France 2030 umbrella.
We are very excited of this collaboration with public and private institutions, which could be really a game changer in sepsis, and that will lead to a great improvement in the management of sepsis in the emergency department.
The ambition is really to initiate this program in France, but also to expand, because the challenge is so huge that every solution that can improve drastically the detection of sepsis can be deployed all around the world.
Volition's core purpose is about bringing a low-cost test, optimizing our nucleosome platform to patients. And it's almost where the rubber meets the road, so to speak, where we're actually bringing that into real life. And we're really hoping that it shows a positive result and, most importantly, helps clinicians care for patients and improve patient care.